want? Change! When do you want it?
I would say we're watching you and we're not going to back down. If you think that we'll just go away, if this is just a trend, we'll just be here while the media is watching, you're wrong. I will use my vote. I will vote you out, and I will vote out anyone who doesn't support sensible gun reform. We're coming for you.
I promise you that if we do not force real meaningful change in our society, these tragedies will continue to happen again and again and again.
Since the day that changed my life, I have decided that I will not stop fighting for change. I could stand here today and tell you all that the 17 victims' families will not stop fighting until we make this world a better and safer place.
Vote them out! Vote them out!